today we will see about tissue. So what is tissue? It is aggregation of cells to perform single function is called as tissue. So there are total 4 types. So one is epithelial tissue. So it is of 2 types, simple and stratified, and simple is squamous, cuboidal and columnar. So function of epithelial tissue is mainly covering of the body, example by skin, so protection, then covering of organs like liver, kidney, protection of body and organs. It is main function of the epithelial tissue. Second is connective tissue. So mainly it is blood, that is liquid connective tissue, then fibrous tissue, elastic tissue, adipose, reticular tissue, and cartilage. So cartilage is of 3 types, hyaline, fibrous and elastic cartilage. So function of connective tissue and cartilage is connect systems, covering, protection and shock absorption by adipose tissue. Third is callus tissue. So it is mainly bone, and bone is of 2 types, spongy and compact. So when the Haversian system is complete in that bone, it is called as compact bone, and when it is not complete, it is called as spongy bone. Or other types of bones is long bone like femur, humerus, short bone like carpals, metacarpals, irregular bone like vertebra, sesamoid bone like patella. So sesamoid bone means from the tendon the bone is developed, it is called as sesamoid bone. So function of bone is protection of body organs, site for hemopoiesis, that is present in bone marrow, then calcium and phosphorus storage, and 2 or more bones form joints, and joints are required for the locomotion or movements. Fourth is muscular tissue. So it is of 3 types, skeletal muscles, so the which connects to the bones, so it's called skeletal muscles. The function is movement of the body. Then smooth muscles which are present inside the organs, so movement of the organs, and cardiac muscles which are present in heart, so movement of the heart like systole and diastole. So systole is contraction of the heart and diastole is relaxation of the heart. Fifth tissue is nervous tissue. So it is mainly unit of nervous tissue is neuron, and neuron is made up of cyton, that is cell, and the fibers which are present to the cyton is called dendron, and single fiber present is called as axon. And then there are various types like motor neurons, sensory neurons or mux neurons. So the function of this nervous tissue is transmission of nerve impulse. An example of nervous tissue is brain and spinal cord. Thank you.
I hope this session you will find useful. Thank you.